We'll call them all throughout here, and then we'll draw one for the first person that's missing. The next one will draw the next chip. One. Who has ones? Red one. Who has red one?
Red one.
Red one.
Red one.
Hey, turn the radio off. Red one. Who has one? Red. Bigger up. Rob Chapman right here. One red. The other one's in here, so it's gonna be
Whoever that is.
yeah. Deuce.
What was your name, bud? Carter. Carter.
Gallon, G-A-T-L-I-N.
Carter, right there. You had the red, blue? Blue, 2. Got it. Robert Maxwell.
Vance, if you notice, there's 2 green lines on the south end of the track. That is known as the burn box. These guys will go in there. Their team will normally put down traction compound, which is otherwise known as pimp juice. It reacts chemically to those tires and melts that rubber so they can create a groove where the best traction applies. Get at it. First turn of the night, folks. Watched him drive in from Oklahoma City area. Again, these are daily drivers. These guys can drive these cars and trucks up and down the highway and do regularly. Here we go, folks. First rate tonight, daily driver. Winner takes all. Bringing them up. Watch that jump. Coming in the middle of the torch. Here we go, folks. Easy peasy. Have to cool off when they race. That's part of being a street daily driver. That is why we're round robining these guys. Another head-to-head big-time race. I mentioned earlier, 8 steps. Represented and every one of them here to win and make the big money. There's no second place. you go, folks. Another hand-to-hand race. You know, and again, this is for all the money, folks. These guys are going head-to-head. The loser's out. He's gone. That's why you will not see them.